Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of Ed's Island where everyone eats. On today's menu, we are gonna do my very well requested Fettuccine Alfredo with some chicken. I'm gonna dive into every single step you need to know to get the absolute best chicken Fettuccine Alfredo. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. Okay, so for today's video, hold on, that was a lot of talking. So I'm going to dive into the ingredients. Super easy, you guys. There's nothing easier than this pasta dish, and it's so freaking good. Restaurant style, I swear, it's gonna be amazing. We have some chicken breast, fettuccine pasta, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, onion, garlic, and the seasonings we got here is Italian seasoning, garlic salt, onion powder, pepper, and some salt. You also need butter. That's super important in this recipe. Sorry, forgot to mention that. Before you start anything, I recommend boiling the water so it could be nice and ready for the pasta. So boil the water first, and then we can start on the chicken. So the first thing you want to do is marinate the chicken. You never want to just put in the chicken on the grill. It's not how it works. We got to marinate this. I would actually want to do it overnight so it really sucks in all the flavor. But if you can't do it overnight, you could go ahead and season your chicken, let it sit for like 15 to 30 minutes, and it's pretty much it. So these are chicken breasts. They're super thick, so I'm going to cut this in half and then we're gonna start dicing them up. So I have the chicken chopped up into squares. Now it's time to season the chicken. For the chicken, you'll need garlic salt, black pepper, and onion powder. If you want to make it spicy, I recommend putting some chili pepper flakes. Every single chicken should have a bunch of pepper on it, so I'm gonna add more on this. I'm gonna add just a little bit of crushed red pepper, just a tad. So I'm gonna let this sit while I work on the sauce. I'm gonna chop up the onion and the garlic. I added olive oil and I added the chicken, so we are going to cook it until they all turn white. So the chicken is gonna look like this, and then you could just transfer it to a bowl so we can work on the sauce. Now in the same pot, I'm going to add the garlic and the onion. I'm gonna add the tiniest olive oil, just a little. Let these cook a bit. Salt the water. So now that our water is boiling, I'm going to add the 4 fettuccine packages. And I'm gonna get into like measurements. Now don't break your pasta, and once you add the pasta in, put a drizzle of olive oil so it doesn't stick together. Now I'm gonna add a stick and like 3/4 of butter. This needs a lot of butter. The only measuring I do is with the heavy cream. Everything else is mainly based on whatever I think looks right. Drop that in there. Got the butter melting. So since we have 4 packages of pasta, I'm gonna need 4 pints of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna add some salt. Italian seasoning. Now you're gonna wait till this starts to simmer a bit, and then we're gonna start to add the Parmesan. Okay, now we're gonna add Parmesan. For every 2 cups of whipping cream, you need 1 cup of Parmesan. So you're gonna put 1 cup at a time and then whisk it until it completely melts. So it's gonna thicken like this, and it's gonna start to simmer a bit. You're gonna turn it off, drain your pasta, put the chicken into the pasta, and then add the sauce. Add the chicken. Let it sit for like 5 minutes so it could soak up all the sauce. And this is the finished product. It looks so good. Let's see. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of sorry. Marinate the chicken.
You need to do like action.